Hi, today I'm for ZTE Nubia Red Magic 6R and I'll show you how to find and manage sound settings on this device. So first open the settings application and then tap to the sound section. Here we can set the done the start mode. If you want just to turn it on or turn it off, we should use the switcher. If you want to set here the start and the end time, you can make it here also. We can just allow notifications, sounds and vibrations just from any apps, from any person if you want. We can here change media, ringtone and alarm volume panels. We can change the volume by just hold and swipe to the left or right side these dots. If you wanna set the vibration focus, you should use this switcher. By the same way, we can activate and turn off the touch vibration. Here we can change ringtone, notification and other sounds settings. So in other sounds we can turn on and turn off the dial button, screen lock and lock sounds. We can also here change the unlock sound and turn on or turn off the touch sounds. Also we can here turn on or turn off the sound sharpening, and in emergency alerts we can see here also a lot of different settings. So just to manage them you should also just use the switchers. So that's it. That's all of the sound settings on our Nubia Red Magic 6R. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.